Hey everyone, McKenna Fenney here, Realtor with the Plowman team, and welcome to our newest home for sale, 195 Lake Driveway. This beautiful condo has so much to offer, and I can't wait to give you this beautiful walkthrough tour. Welcome home. Calling all you first-time home buyers, downsizers, or investors, this is a fantastic opportunity for you to keep your foot in the market or get your foot into the market. Not only that, but this property offers 2 bedrooms and 2 washrooms with tons of living space. A beautiful balcony to watch your parking spot, because you don't only have 1 parking spot, you have 2. 1 on surface level and 1 underground. So you don't have to worry about those winter days. And one other feature that I want to mention is ensuite laundry. Now check out the bedrooms and the bathrooms, and I'll see you downstairs.